The motto is very attractive. Milk tea talaga, masarap. Very recommended yung milk tea. Hi, I'm Karen. I'm from Baybay City.
I'm Don from Baybay City also.
Una, when I was scrolling my Facebook, nakita ko yung KRT. Tapos naging curious ako. So, when I click KRT, nakita ko yung concept nila na rolling. So, from that day, naging suki ko na si KRT kasi palagi na siyang nasa feeds ko. So, naging interesado ako. Tapos, shinare ko sa asawa ko about KRT.
Actually, ma'am,
Yun nag-start.
before KRT, talagang gusto niya mag-franchise. Sabi niya yung coffee. Pero pag sabi niya milk tea na, nakita na yung KRT. That's the time na research talaga siya.
We highly recommend the KRT kasi first, the motto is very attractive. Tapos yung mga staff mismo, from CEO to the general manager, to the secretary, to the master franchisee natin sa Leyte, very friendly. At saka,
Yung milk tea
masarap.
mismo, masarap.
Milk tea talaga, masarap. Very recommended yung milk tea.
If you're watching this video right now at kung sa tingin mo maganda rin ang location mo, maraming milk tea lovers, i-message mo lang ang aming page at malay mo ikaw na ang next franchisee ng The Cart Milk Tea.